Hey, it's Mr. Aura, and I'm here doing some practice problems on functions. And the question is, determine if the following are functions, and if so, state the domain and range. So the first one here, A, is a set of points. -3, 17, then the point 4, -8, the point 7, 12, and then the point 9, -8. And we have a function because every x here is different. So in that case, we can state the domain as listing the x values, which are -3, 4, 7, and 9. And the range are the y values. Those are the outputs. I don't have to put them in order, but I am -8, 12, and 17. You can list the -8 twice if you want to, but you don't have to. B, I have 3 points. They're 1, 3, 1, 7, and 3, 7. And the problem here is that the 1 shows up more than once with 2 different outputs. So in this case, this is not a function because the input of 1 goes to 2 different y values or 2 different outputs. Okay, then I have a graph here. I don't know what the graph is, but it's some type of polynomial, so it's a squiggle across here. But we can say it's a function by the vertical line test. So we can say it's a function by the vertical line test. And the vertical line test is where if we drop a vertical line anywhere across the graph, and that means anywhere, we'll only hit the function or the graph once. So it gets kind of choppy across there. But every x goes to exactly one y there. So let's take the domain. The domain runs from -4 all the way to +4. So we can do that in an interval or an inequality, but we'll say it starts at -4 and runs over to 4. That 4 is actually an open circle, so it's not included. And then the range, which goes in the y direction, looks like it goes from -3 up to 4. So that goes from -3 up to 4. Included is what it looks like. The last one, D here, looks like it has a loop in it. So I'm not sure what the function is as well. But if we come through here with the vertical line test around x equals 1, we actually hit the graph in 3 different places. So it's not a function by the vertical line test. Okay? So we don't have to state the domain and range if it's not a function.